Kaizer Chiefs head coach Nasruddin Nabi has made it clear that winning the Nedbank Cup alone is not enough for a club of Amakosi's stature. Speaking after the goalless draw on Saturday night, which saw Chiefs miss out on the MTN 8 by finishing outside the top 8, the Tunisian tactician expressed both his disappointment and determination to restore the club's former glory. Despite ending the club's decade-long trophy drought with the Nedbank Cup triumph, Nabi remained unsatisfied with the overall trajectory of the team. Chiefs are now reeling from a ninth-match winless streak in the DStv Premiership and have finished in the ninth place, just one spot above last season's historic low of 10th. He said, "I came here to build a team. It's not possible to build and get instant results at the same time. Yes, I was happy after we won the Nedbank Cup, but I said then, it's still a process." The coach underlined the importance of patience and perspective as he navigates long-term rebuilding phase. He said, "We are working for coherence. Whether we win or lose, it's still part of the process. People ask why it takes time, but for us, the direction is clear. We know the technical decisions that need to be made." Nabi was candid about the team's struggles in front of goal, which he sees as a major reason behind their underwhelming league performance, and said, "If you analyze with objectivity, we are second in the league for chances created, but why don't we score? It's been the story of our season, creating chances but not converting. Today was just another example. We hit the post. We had 3 or 4 opportunities, but nothing came of them." He also hinted at the need for increased quality in the squad to match the expectations that come with coaching one of South Africa's biggest clubs, and it is not big problems. It's about quality. To consistently stay in the top half, we need quality. I don't agree with celebrating one cup after 10 years as if it's enough. For Nabi, mediocrity is not an option. And said, "I'm not a small coach and Chiefs is not a small team. Winning the Nedbank Cup should be normal for this club, not a once-in-a-decade moment of celebration. Chiefs must compete for titles every season. That's my objective." Firm in his self-belief, Nabi ended a defiant note and said, "I don't need to defend myself. I know my quality. I have big confidence." As Amakosi fans look ahead to the next season, the message from their head coach is unambiguous. The journey has begun, but the destination is far greater than a single piece of silverware. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.